Hi, and welcome to Scarecraft. So, with Christmas over and at a loose end, I started on a new project. I wanted to make a personalised book box for a friend. This is a great way to present and enhance a gift or make something special to store something in. And if you know someone who has a favourite book or film, you can normally develop some ideas to theme it accordingly. My friend's a big Stephen King fan, so I decided to theme the book box on the novel Carrie. Now, when you think of Carrie, the key themes are prom, blood, and fire, and I wanted the book box to reflect this. As you can see, the finished project is like a journey through the story. Also, depending on your own project idea, the only two things you definitely need for this are a spare hardback book and some Mod Podge glue. So, if you've never made a book box before, here's a quick how to. It's really simple. You just need a hardback book or a good size. You just need to think what you're going to store in the actual book itself, because the book needs to be thick enough, obviously, for the object to be stored in the compartment in the middle. So once you've done that, select where you want your compartment to go, like as in how far in the book you want it to start. And then I would draw a square sort of in the middle of the book around the thing you want to store. Make it nice and sort of even in the middle of the center of the book. And then what you're going to have to do is basically cut out all of those pages that you no longer need. I used a craft knife for this stage just to cut through the pages and to hollow out the book to the depth that I wanted it to be at. Now, this stage takes a little bit of patience. It takes a little while just to get through all those pages, but just keep going. You'll get there in the end. The last thing to do is to just check when you've cut out the compartment that the jewelry box you're going to be using will actually fit in the compartment that you've made. Just place it in there, make sure it all fits and the book closes, and you're good to go. For this next stage, the pages that we want to stay together at the bottom end of the book, we just apply a little layer of Mod Podge to the edges, weight the book down with something heavy, and when the Mod Podge dries, it will keep all those pages locked together and make the kind of compartment section of the book. When that's all dry, you might want to give it a second coat as well. And when that's done, just paint some Mod Podge around the inside of the compartment as well. And that is how to build a book box. Now, next up for me was to start theming the book on the novel Carrie. And first up was to look at the burnt theme. So I used a heat gun to make some of the pages look like they've got a burnt effect on them. This is by actually burning them. So you could achieve this same effect using charcoal or something similar. If you're going to use a heat gun like I did, then please do check your local fire safety laws and guidance and follow it carefully. Obviously, paper is combustible. It can sort of set fire. Do it under controlled conditions. Take a lot of care. And if you're a younger viewer, then please do get an adult to help you with this section. Following the burnt pages, I wanted the secret compartment in the middle of the book to look like the glowing embers of the fire. I gave the jewelry box and the compartment an undercoat with white paint. I then mixed bright red, orange, and yellow paints to make a flame effect. But to make this look like glowing embers, I used a technical paint over the top of these colours called Modern Earth, which is a model paint, and it crackles as it dries, revealing the colours underneath and creates a great ember effect. I then added some prom theming to the front cover of the book, using blue and purple and red to create a twilight effect, and some silver letters to spell out the book's title. For the inside cover, I continued the prom theme by creating a couple of prom posters on the computer and printing them. I then moved on to the next theme, blood. This was a blood effect paint that I let run from the top of the page to reference the moment Carrie is doused in blood. I wanted to put a gravestone on the back cover as a nod to the shocking last scene in the movie Carrie. I used a spare piece of foam board, cut it into a tombstone shape, and then engraved it to make the final wording. Gave it a quick paint job, and then stuck it onto the reverse cover of the book. And that was it, all done. A book box themed on Carrie. I hope this gives you some inspiration to make your own. I may do another like this later in the year and see if we can really push the theming to the next level. If you have any suggestions for a horror novel or film to theme this on, let me know in the comments. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.